What's going on? It's been about a year since I did anything on YouTube. Yep, still got it. Still runs. Still stock. Well, for the most part, other than the dual exhaust, of course. Yeah, about a few months ago, I bought this 8.8 with drum brakes that they put on it. And it supposedly has a 410 traction lock. I think the only thing I'm going to do is put one of those reinforced aluminum rear end covers on it, and then just probably put some hardened axles in it. I don't think I need to do C-clips eliminators. And the reason that is because it's 50-50, it seems like, with C-clips eliminators. It seems like half the people don't leak and half the people do leak. Well, my thought on that is I'm going to cut this rear end up, and then it leaks. Like I don't want it to leak on the street. Then what? Now I got to go back and go try to weld some forward 9-inch big ends on it, and then I have to get somebody who knows how to do it correctly. That's what I don't want to get into. And I don't think I'm going to make the power to do it, at least not more than 500. And it may even stay at 302. I'm still debating that. And just put different pistons, heads, cam, different intake manifold, make sure it's port match, make sure it flows at least the same or more than the heads I choose. That's all being thought about with everything that's going on right now, so we'll just have to decide that. So that's the rear end. This is a little interesting though. I haven't really opened it yet, but the guy's name is Michael Savard on Facebook, and he is a Fox body guy, and he builds subframe connectors. Now, Fairmont and Zephyr guys and anybody else who owns a Fox body just about is probably going to want to listen to this. So these are adjustable. What they do is they slide in and out of each other. So you could slide them to the length and then weld them in, which is a pretty neat deal. And this looks like the back of it from the pictures that he has on the internet. And I will post this Facebook page in this video. I'll post a link. But yeah, they are more expensive than the rest. They're about $300 Canadian. About $400 Canadian. About $300 to me. But I felt like that was the best idea, is to not try to jerry-rig shorter wheelbase Mustang subframe connectors and add welded on pieces. Like, that's actually pretty genius what this guy did. He actually made an adjustable sliding subframe connector to where you can adjust it to where you want it, and then you fab and weld it in. It's pretty smart. It's probably the only guy I know that does it, so that's why I'm gonna post a link. I'm not gonna post his name. Yeah, that's his name, Michael Savard, and he is on Facebook. He's in our Fairmont Zephyr group. I think it's just a good idea to do. I think it's just a better idea than just going to get full-length subframe connectors that are meant for a Mustang and then trying to make them work, which they will, and they're probably fine. But I was like, this was an exact fit type deal, or adjustable fit type deal, which I thought was kind of cool. So hopefully nobody's been jacking up on the subframe in this car, and nobody's been really banging this thing up, so I can actually just have my friend who races Mini Coopers have me weld them in, or help me weld them in, when all this other stuff kind of just settles down. Because right now, it's just stuck at the house, other than getting supplies and stuff like that. But yeah, it's been about a year, like I said. Just 8.8 rear end subframe connector. So yeah, it's gonna come along. All right, peace.